All right. Well, we've got an elevator here. So I think this is a Schindler modded by Schindler. Is it?
Send it up to 2.
Going up to 2. This is at Diesel DC International Airport in Diesel DC, Virginia.
Only one floor indicator works.
Yep.
This is my activity while I wait 10 years for American to get my bag out.
Yeah. I should have known better. Should have just written another stupid Series 1. Hey, I got like a ride and a half on a Series 1, and I'm probably going to upload the video anyway. Wow, this song is terrible. This song's terrible, you gotta hear it all the time.
At least you can talk over it so you don't get a copyright.
Yep, that is it.